Mitahara will be the answer for this question. Mitahara is a very beautiful concept that it talks about the balanced nutrition basically. What is Mitahara? The food which is compatible is Mitahara. What is Mitahara? The food which is having all six tastes together is Mitahara. What is Mitahara? The food is in a perfect quantity that is sufficient for your body to digest properly is Mitahara. What is Mitahara? Food which is compatible with the season, food which is compatible with the prakriti, compatible with the dosha is Mitahara. What is Mitahara? Food which is promoting the excretory systems of your body, food which is encouraging the elimination of toxins from your body is also Mitahara. What is Mitahara? Mitahara is the food which nourishes your body, which nourishes your sense organ, which nourishes your mind, which improve your immunity, which improve your glow, and which overall provide you strength is Mitahara. So I will recommend that understand your Prakriti, understand your Agni, try to understand how much quantity you need for your Prakriti. And that's all we are going to talk in the course in Ayurveda Advanced Nutrition. So I will definitely recommend everyone to understand their own Prakriti, understand their own Agni, and to plan their own diet on day-to-day basis.